Revive tired feet and eliminate toxins with DIY foot detox soak. When people talk about detoxification, they usually think of a process occurring in the intestinal tract. That, at least, is what is happening in the West. However, in the East they think differently about detoxification, particularly in China. Chinese medicine tries to solve various health problems starting with the feet, based on theories rooted in acupuncture that claim that large nerve endings are found in our feet. That includes issues that Western medical practitioners treat starting with the intestine. The custom of detoxifying through the feet is one example of how some people in the West are healing from Eastern medicine. This process includes herbs which produce harmful toxin secretions. Speak of it as if you sweat toxins through your feet. Take a look at 3 natural ways to conduct Chinese detoxification. Salt bath ingredients: 1/4 cup sea salt. Himalayan salt may be used as a substitute. 1/4 cup Epsom salt. 1/4 cup baking soda. 1/3 cup apple cider vinegar. Note, you can also add essential oils, but they are completely optional. Instructions: next, the first 3 ingredients dissolve in boiling water. Set aside the pot to cool slightly, then add the apple cider vinegar. Then pour the mixture into a basin big enough for your feet to soak in. When you intend on using these, add the essential oils. In this bath, soak your feet for half an hour, or longer. When soaking your feet in this mixture, take the necessary precautions. Many people get a lightheaded feeling when they stop, so just in case you're home alone, don't administer this procedure. Clay bath. Ingredients: bentonite clay 1/2 cup, Epsom salt 1/2 cup. Note, you can also add essential oils, but they are completely optional. Instructions: if you intend to use them, dissolve the Epsom salt in hot water and pour in the essential oils. Then, take the clay and make it into a paste. To do so, mix it with some tea. First, stand in the hot or warm water tub which you prepared with Epsom salt while rubbing the clay mixture over your body to create a mask. Allow that mask to dry for a couple of minutes before you sit in the tub. Soak in the shower for at least 20 minutes to let the mask remove the chemicals from the skin. Eventually, apply a washcloth to the clay mask. The clay in this bath works to pull from your body any heavy metals, while the Epsom salt helps you to repair your magnesium levels. 2 or more cups of hydrogen peroxide, 1 tablespoon of dried ginger, in powder form. Directions: add the hydrogen peroxide and ginger to a hot water tub. Soak up in the shower for as long as you want. 30 minutes is recommended. It is also recommended that you use this bath when you have a cold with cough and/or general pain and aches. You should feel much better as the ginger helps to lighten the pressure and relieve the pain. It could flush away minor skin irritations as an added benefit. Thank you for watching. Share to your friends. And don't forget to subscribe.